Hey everybody, David here from the Beard Brothers. Today we're going to be looking at a TikTok effect, which is the face stabilizer. You've probably seen all those videos on TikTok where people are running or doing something and their face or their head or whatever seems to stay in the same place and everything else around it moves. And that's quite easily done in DaVinci Resolve. The nice thing about this, it's completely free. DaVinci Resolve is free, and the actual effect to do the tracking is free. Whereas if you wanted to do this in Adobe Premiere and After Effects, you have to jump from Premiere to After Effects, and you also have to pay for the Adobe subscription to be able to do that. So this is all completely free, and it's very quick and very easy to do. I'm not going to go into the whole how to get DaVinci Resolve running and importing things. I've actually got a bit of footage on my timeline here at the moment. As you can see, this girl running, and that's what we're going to use today to achieve this effect. If you do want to learn more on DaVinci Resolve, let me know and I'll do that, but at the moment just getting some footage in here is all you need to be able to do. So what I'm going to do is, on my timeline, I'm in the edit tab. I'm going to highlight my clip and go across to Fusion. Now Fusion is kind of the After Effects for DaVinci Resolve, and that's what we're going to be using today. We've got media in and media out. This is our media in, which is the footage of the runner, and what we're going to do is highlight that, press Shift Space Bar, and that's going to bring up the select tool, and we're just going to type tracker, and we're going to use this standard tracker here and click add. Very straightforward. We're going to make sure our timeline is at 0. That's that there. And we're going to take this little tracker here and we're going to just place it over her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her eyebrows, and that's the area that we're going to track to be able to do this this TikTok effect. Over here in adaptive mode, we're going to change it to best match and leave everything else that it is, and then we're going to hit this button here to track forward through the timeline. That may take a minute or so depending on your computer. So here we go. You can see there the tracker's working and following her face, and it's doing it quite quickly today. We've only got a short bit of footage here, about 20 seconds long, something like that. And then once that's finished, we get this little render completed to say that it's been rendered and tracked, kind of thing. And you can see all the tracking data here. The next thing we're going to do is go over to operation and change the operation to match move. And the merge mode is just going to be BG or background only. So as soon as I click that, you'll see that the actual footage moves, and it will get even more extreme depending on the tracking. But you can see there, if I hit play, that it's the actual background that's moving now and not her face. So her face is actually sort of pinned to the center of the screen, and that's the effect that they've been using on TikTok. Now to get rid of this kind of all this background here, we're going to just add another node. So I'm going to hit Shift and Space, and that's going to be transform, and it's this one here with XF, and I'm going to add that, and literally all I'm going to do is scale it up until you can't see the background anymore, and then just skip through, make sure that you've got all that covered, and that is literally it. If we go back to the edit page, rewind to the beginning, hit play, you'll see that her head is perfectly still and it's the actual background that's moving, and that is the TikTok face tracking effect that you see everywhere at the moment. All free, all DaVinci Resolve, very quick, very easy, straightforward, and yeah, that's how you do the face tracking in DaVinci Resolve. Have a good day, bye.